Constipation is a common issue that affects many people, but it is often ignored. In this video, we'll explain why it happens, what it can lead to, and simple ways to support healthy digestion. Constipation happens when bowel movements become less frequent or difficult to pass. It often occurs when the digestive system slows down, causing stool to become hard and dry. One common cause is not drinking enough water, which makes stool harder. A diet low in fiber-rich foods, such as fruits and vegetables, can slow digestion. Lack of physical activity also contributes, as movement helps stimulate the intestines. Ignoring the urge to use the bathroom, stress, and certain medications can also affect digestion. Understanding these causes is the first step toward improving digestive health. Constipation can affect anyone, but certain people are more likely to experience it. Individuals who eat low-fiber diets or drink little water are at higher risk. People with sedentary lifestyles, older adults, and pregnant women may also experience constipation more often. If constipation continues for a long time, it can lead to other problems in the body. It may cause bloating and abdominal discomfort, making you feel heavy and uneasy. It can lead to hemorrhoids due to straining during bowel movements. In some cases, it may cause anal discomfort or small tears, which can be painful. Constipation may also affect appetite and make digestion feel slow and uncomfortable. Taking early steps to manage constipation helps prevent these complications. Constipation can often be improved with simple daily habits. Drinking enough water helps soften stool and support digestion. Eating fiber-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, oats, and seeds improves bowel movement. Foods like papaya, bananas, and leafy greens support regular digestion. Warm drinks in the morning can help stimulate the digestive system. Regular physical activity helps keep the intestines active. Creating a routine and responding to your body's signals supports long-term digestive health. Small daily changes can help you stay regular and comfortable.